Is nonfiction. It's called Dangerous Weather, Hurricanes, and Tornadoes. Look outside. What do you see? Are there dark clouds in the sky? Does it look like it might rain? Do you need a jacket and umbrella? When you check the weather to figure out what clothing to wear, you are making a prediction about the weather. Of course, if you look outside, you only know what the weather is like now. That's why many people rely on weather forecasts. Meteorologists or weather scientists make forecasts that not only let you know what kind of clothes to wear for the day, forecasts also help keep people safe from dangerous weather such as hurricanes and tornadoes. Hurricanes and tornadoes are similar in some ways and different in some ways. Knowing about each helps with forecasting. Forecasting hurricanes and tornadoes. How do scientists predict hurricanes and tornadoes? First, you need to know some basic facts about each. Hurricanes are very large storms. They form over open water. They can span up to 300 miles. Hurricanes can go on for several days. This makes them easier to track. It is also easier for scientists to predict their movements or to make forecasts about them. The caption says, an image of a hurricane from outer space. Tornadoes, on the other hand, are much smaller than hurricanes. They usually form over dry, flat land, and they might only occur for a few minutes. Tornadoes develop during thunderstorms and more unpredictably. Tornado researcher Tom Grazoulis says, tornadoes are extremely hard to pin down. Since tornadoes are so hard to predict, scientists use tools and technology to gather more information. One of the most important tools for predicting tornadoes is Doppler radar. Since scientists use Doppler radar to measure the speed and direction of the wind, if the winds are rotating, that could be a possible tornado. The caption under this picture says, a tornado near Oklahoma. Geographic regions. Geography helps people predict hurricanes and tornadoes. Hurricanes often start close to West Africa. They travel across the Atlantic Ocean. Sometimes they head toward the eastern United States. On the other hand, tornadoes can happen anywhere, but they tend to form in the Midwestern and southeastern United States. In these parts of the United States, warm air from the south collides with cold air from the north. When the warm and cold air crash into each other, sometimes they cause tornadoes to form. Knowing where hurricanes and tornadoes are likely to occur helps scientists make more accurate predictions. Warning times. Scientists can now make better predictions about hurricanes and tornadoes. Now we have better warning systems for these extreme weather events. Warnings for hurricanes may be issued up to 5 days in advance. In contrast, warnings for tornadoes may only come 11 minutes in advance. That may seem like a short time, but as Ruth Tenzer Feldman points out, that is about 11 minutes longer than people had 20 years ago. The next time you check the weather by looking outside or up in the sky, you are developing a forecast. Weather forecasting helps people every day, but it really helps people prepare for and stay safe during extreme weather like hurricanes and tornadoes.